Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload a cover photo in LinkedIn. Let's get started. First, head over to LinkedIn and sign into your account. Step 2. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture or me icon at the top, then choose View Profile. On your profile page, hover over the cover photo area at the top. You'll see a pen icon in the corner. Click it and click on Edit Cover Image. Now click on the Change Photo and choose the banner image you want to use from your computer. LinkedIn recommends 1584 by 396 pixels for best results. Once it's uploaded, you can resize or reposition the image. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply and then Save. Bonus tip: use a clean professional image that reflects your personal brand, like your industry, a skyline, or something related to your work. And that's how you upload a cover photo to your LinkedIn profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.